Start!
Oh yeah, that's going into fucking YouTube for sure.
Oh yeah.
Can't get it started.
It wasn't even fucking on.
Oh, there you go.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call.
What up, YouTube? So I'm out here with my boys from Spokane, Washington. I'm out here, we're by State Line, Idaho, and we decided to get together. Like I said, meeting new guys, new people has always been a plus for me in life because a lot of positivity can come out of it. Building new relationships with friends, it's always something that you got to do in life. So I decided to vlog this. This is super fucking dope. We got a sick lineup right now. Someone just pulled up. Who can it be? What up, man? What's up?
Do you expect me in this or what?
Of course.
What up, bro? Is it cool? Post up? Yeah. Go for it. I don't fucking care.
What just happened? Austin, what just happened?
Some random dude just showed up with a SpecB.
Yo, SpecB, some random boy just showed up and he's like, can I park next to your car? So we were like, fuck it, go for it, man. That's what we're about, man. Fuck it. Sick.
Right place at the right time. Yeah. I was like, I remember that SpecB from somewhere. Emerson. Nice to meet you. Hector.
Emerson Irvin. I'm vlogging.
Friend of me, oh, yeah. Nice.
Photography media whiz and has a badass car that just got his wheels.
Stock as fuck.
But check these out. You gotta work to get some work wheels, bro.
work.
You gotta put in the work to get work. So stock everything, right? Everything's stock.
Everything came with the car like this.
Aero kit. This is a TS
everything.
version of a BRZ Subaru.
Yep.
Fucking modified already for you.
Tuned by STi. If you don't know what TS means, the only thing is they didn't put a turbo in it. Carbon fiber hood or
spoiler. It's adjustable too,
Sick.
so you can move up and down.
So fucking clean.
Has the STi embroidered on the side.
See, I have a decal of this. You got the actual embroidery.
Yep.
That's sick.
Got the Brembo brake.
Asshole. Okay, we got Brembo brakes.
Brembo brakes, STi wheels because they had to fit the Brembo brakes.
Yeah.
STi aero kit.
Skirts.
Everything. The seats are even
Rear
embroidered in
splats.
TS.
Oh fuck yeah, I haven't even seen your interior. Oh, check this out. Clean, clean. These buckets, these seem like they're more aggressive and huggable than the STi version.
Yeah.
They're sick. Steering wheel sick. Ah, it smells good. Oh, and then you got the Alcantara
Yep.
suede.
Yeah.
Sick. I was gonna be like, let me see the back seats, but there's no fucking. This is so sick.
If you don't want legs, you can fit in the back seat.
I know, right?
Like I said, it's already has drilled holes already for the top mount intercooler.
It's ready for it, bro. Top
ready for
mount.
the turbo.
Future's coming. The future for this car's coming. Are you gonna pull the trigger on that eventually?
Yeah, eventually.
Eventually, hell yeah.
Pull the
dude.
trigger, get a turbo kit on it.
And we'll document it. So follow, subscribe, like,
They don't keep up with your STi.
and then he's gonna fucking keep up with the fucking Subis, STIs.
Yeah.
Nah, but this is a fucking sick whip, dude.
Thanks, man.
Sick, sick, sick. Now we gotta go check out the Lapis Blue.
Oh. I don't. I fucking hate it. A lot of yellow. I like how I can adjust.
So so this is ceramic coated.
What?
Ceramic coated, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ceramic coated with Adams polish, just ceramic coating.
Adams polisher, ceramic coating. This is what you're gonna get, a badass fucking ceramic coat.
Had it for like a week.
It's a week old?
Or it's about almost a month old now, but the night I bought it, I ordered the ceramic coating. I was like, I ain't risking it.
So, cause you just bought it, right?
Yeah.
2019, fresh out the motherfucking lot.
Doesn't even have the plates yet.
Nope, no plates yet. And then tell me, you're gonna get a little project on your hands. Are you gonna shoot for it?
I'm probably gonna shoot for it.
Yeah? He's gonna make his own carbon fiber fucking splitter lip on this joint.
Maybe run for it and try to get side skirt extensions, but that one's gonna be risky because that's gonna be a project in that.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard, but hey, but that'd be cool. Fun project.
One day.
Fuck yeah. Sick. I love the color, how it changes color, you know that?
Yeah.
am I the only one?
I always say, everybody says
It's like lapis blue and then it goes into purplish and midnight bluish. It's just
so I call
dope.
Call it blurple.
Blurple. That's sick. That's it. I don't think I've ever seen a lapis blue up close like that.
Yeah.
Like I don't have a friend that has one.
Yeah.
And I'm loving it, man. That's sick. I gotta fucking talk about this tint. What tint is this? 50%?
50 on the windshield, and then
There's
I believe it's
50% on the fucking
on the
windshield.
sides.
My bad, I gotta wipe that off.
You're good.
50%
15
in the
on the
front,
sides.
yo. California will fuck you in the butt for that.
Same with Washington.
Yeah? Okay, so you're just brave as fuck. Cause I'm like, y'all got me into it. I want to do that shit to my car now. I was telling fucking Austin, I was like, y'all got me into fucking wanting to tint my shit. So fucking Demetrey got it, and then you have it too, right?
I got it, dude.
Austin, you got it?
Austin got it.
Fuck. Yeah,
got
fuck
it.
that. Like y'all just kicked me out of a club that don't even exist yet. It's fucked up.
My sunroof's up right now, so you can't tell.
Fucking 50% front tint, front windshield tint. Fucking 50% right here. This is direct sunlight shooting through it and you can still see nice through it, but you can tell it has fucking tint. Bro, we gotta get on that game.
Yeah.
Because like I'm over here like everybody got front windshield tint. I was scared as shit in California to do that. Out here it seems like I'll risk it. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, we'll do it.
50% of the windshield, 15% everywhere else.
15%, yeah. Same. I got 15 and then 5 in the back. That's dope. Dopest cameraman in Spokane. Check him out. Alright, talk to me about this SpecB, bro.
The SpecB.
Yeah.
It's a 09.
Let's check
It's
it
only
out.
112 of those.
Oh, shit.
It's got stage 2 cob tuning, some cob exhaust, and then some other stuff, the viscous drivetrain and other shit.
So it's it looks like a sleeper though, cause
It is a sleeper.
you kept up with us right now. I was like,
Yeah.
whoa, shit.
My brother said he had a dynode and there was 294 to the wheels.
Damn, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, and you got the STi shift knob
you
going
got
on.
the short
Short
shifter.
throat.
Yep.
Hell yeah. He hooked it up.
Yeah, he did.
You say you got the full catback, the cob catback?
I'm pretty sure he did the full catback, everything. Yeah.
Shit,
And then he got rid of the other tips and got these put on.
that's sick. Those are like 4-inch.
Looks like it, huh?
Yeah. Hell yeah, yo. You got an Instagram?
Yep.
Shout it
Go
out.
follow me at Subies of Idaho on Instagram, and then photos by Emmerson James also.
What up, guys? We just got out here to the lake view. I have no idea where I'm at, but this is a badass view I gotta show you guys. This is nuts. I love this. So we hit all those canyons up there, all around that fucking coast, that mountain, and we got all the way over here. So we're cooling off the cars a little bit. Cooling off the car.
A lot better than especially for me.
Yeah.
I was just bombing through it. I kept braking because I kept getting close to death.
Cooling off.
My car!
Cooling off. Yeah, bro. Gotta let her breathe.
Gotta let her breathe.
Gotta let her breathe.
Standing there, you can feel the heat just like
Yeah.
radiating off.
Yeah. You do. Look like a fucking shark. Check out these tips. Tips.
See how hot them brakes are.
Carbon fiber tips right there.
That's heated. Not yet. We're breaking in. Not yet.
So today is the next day after yesterday's cool little meet with all the boys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had hella fun. I'm pretty upset because my GoPro, I guess the memory was full, so we didn't pick up any of the rolling shots out in the canyons. But anyways, we decided to go ahead and discuss maybe starting up a car club. We do need help with the car club name, so please help us out in the comments. Drop by some suggestions. Funny shit, that's all accept or whatever, but we're really looking into maybe starting up a car club. So there's gonna be more content with all these cars. I'm super excited, super stoked. We're gonna be producing weekly content, so stay tuned for that. And like I said, make sure you subscribe and follow us, like the videos, check us out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.